it's Morgan with WTI. I love this bundle for my Nintendo Switch from innoAura so much. I am obsessed with this. It has so much in it, 18 things. So I love the case that it comes with. It fits so much. This top pocket is amazing. I can put my blue light glasses for when I'm playing, the extra card case it comes with, the extra straps, the accessories. It fits all of those cards and it's just so snug. This is a great case that it comes with. It's dockable. It's very easy to use, very sleek, slim. It feels really good to touch and fits all of the openings perfectly. It is such a great case, you guys. I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful. I really like the customization. It comes so well packaged. It has so many things in it, and it really has everything that you need. I love the wristlet and the long strap. I love that it's so customizable, so I can just use it on my wrist, use it over my shoulder, or even use it as a crossbody because it is so customizable. The zippers are great. They feel like really good quality. I took this traveling with me and I was really impressed with how secure my Switch felt. The card slots are great. It fits so many, so you can take all of your games on the go with you. It's a really great storage option as well, just to have at home. And I love all the different thumb grips. It comes with 3 different colors, so cute, and they feel like good quality, really comfortable to play, and I really enjoy switching it up and using different ones. The fact that it comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors is also incredible because you want your entire Switch to be covered, and this was really great. Very easy to install and came with all the things you need. The case itself is very easy to snap on. It feels really snug and sleek. I just love this thing and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.